Welcome to the UniFi Talk Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to verify that the Voxtelesys SIP trunk is registered in UniFi Talk. To begin, log into the UniFi portal, click on the Dream Machine Pro, click on the Settings icon, click on the Advanced tab, turn on SSH, create an SSH password, then click on Confirm. Open the terminal CLI. Enter SSH root at followed by the UDM's IP address. You can find the UDM's IP address by navigating back to the Dream Machine Pro from your web browser, then click on General Settings to find the gateway IP. You'll then type in the gateway IP in the terminal after the SSH root command. Enter the root password, which is the SSH password you created in the UDM. Enter the UniFi-OS shell command. To get into the FreeSwitch CLI, enter fs_CLI. Enter Show Registrations to show that your SIP trunk is registered. Congratulations! You verified that the Voxtelesys SIP trunk has registered in UniFi Talk. Check back for more videos as we're continually adding new content.